Hello, Feminines. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you for tuning in. I see that I've reached a little over 2,000 subscribers. I hate to call them subscribers, so I'm going to call you guys friends because that's what I feel towards you. So in honor of that, I will be giving away 2 30-minute readings, 3 questions, and 2 love letters. So if that's something that you're interested in, please email me, let me know. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. They were giving me messages. And that will go on for a week from now until next Tuesday, which I think is the 23rd at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully I'm giving enough time for my friends that live abroad. I can't believe that I have somebody from Slovenia that watches me. That's just insane. Like, never in my wildest dreams did I ever thought it would get to be 2,000 friends, but much less reading as far as Ireland, Australia, Slovenia. I mean, it's just, it blows my mind. All right. Here we go. Feminines, you have done a great job with keeping your strength up. And look, Master number 11, twin flame number. Because we are not only carrying our strength, we are carrying the strength for our masculines. We have to, because they are not capable of doing that right now. We have the 7 of Cups, 7 of Water, because there's so many decisions. They are so burdened. They are so weighed down by all the decisions they have to make in order to get themselves out of this karmic situation, that the one burden we can take off them is strength. Because sunny days are up ahead, okay? Things are going to be balanced. So we need to keep up what it is we can keep up, like our strength, our high vibrations for the masculines. Which, as I've said before, which is why we awaken first, is because we can handle this responsibility that is upon us. The masculines cannot. It is too much for them. Which is why they hem and haw and don't want to awaken, because it's too much responsibility. Yes, men may be stronger physically. They may be, stronger to be able to, do things, lift things, open up a jar of pickles, for Christ's sake. But when push comes to shove, it's the feminines that are the strongest ones. We have that mental fortitude. And I'm not saying that women aren't strong physically, because God knows we birth babies. I'm talking just in general. Mirroring. Mirroring is so big right now. No matter what card I do, whether it's public, it's private, there's always cards that come out that are doing the same. This was in yesterday's reading too. We have trust. Feminines, you got to trust that everything is going on. Things are working behind the scenes. It's hard. I know it's hard to have trust when you don't see any movement, or when, your masculine calls you and said, oh, everything was a freaking lie and blah, 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 blah. It's hard. I understand. I get that. All right. But we have to have that trust. Again, health. When you can have this complete and total blind faith, this trust, your health improves. I can't even begin to tell you, when my karmic walked out, literally walked out, within 3 months, I was getting sinus infections for the past 3 years. Every month. I had the sinuplasty surgery. That didn't work because, well, I have underdeveloped sinuses, but that's a completely different thing. But once everything was gone and I could cut down on his energy, my physical health began to improve. When you can let go of what burdens you, of what no longer serves you, okay? And I know I said that we need to keep up the strength and the love and what we have for the masculines, but again, there's a very fine line, because a very fine line of keeping that going, but also maintaining our self-containment. But when you can do that, you will find that your physical health, your mental health, your spiritual health, your emotional health improves so much. I am living proof of that. I swear to God, I'm not trying to be a preacher or whatever, but I'm telling you, I know what it is. I know. And this I know to be true. You will also grow. You will grow by leaps and bounds. I am completely not the same person I was last year or the year before that. Completely different person. I don't blame my karmic. Don't blame others for things that have, or people that have done you wrong. Okay? Accept your responsibility in it. Accept the lesson that there was there to be learned. And do not blame. Again, that is very hard to do. I understand. But you need to change. You need to change the way that you feel about that in order for growth to happen, in order for your physical health to happen, in order to have trust to happen. You need to change and not blame. I have 4 for this row, please, Spirit. 4 for this row. Wow, talk about mirroring. Again. Two more, please, Spirit. 2 more. Okay, well, we got more than 2 more, which is fine. Spirit gives whatever Spirit needs to say there is to be given. Look inside yourself. Again, mirroring. We had this for the masculines. Your heart says, look inside your heart. Look inside yourself. Not to be able to blame. To be able to change. To be able to trust. Live by kindness. Not always easy. Not always easy. But if you live by kindness, it is returned to you in tenfold. Dreams are coming true. If you can live like this, feminines, if you can live like this, you can manifest. Your dreams are going to come true. You need to do the work, and this is the work. You need to live in kindness. You need to look inside yourself. You need to grow. You need to not blame others. You need to take responsibility for your role in the action. You need to change. You need to trust. Again, awakening your true self, mirroring the masculines. This is insane. I mean, out of a 78 card deck, and I think it's 78 cards, what are the odds that I'm going to, that 2 of them are going to jump or I pull? I do whatever it is I'm guided to do. I mean, you can't make this shit up. Family harmony. It's time to make amends with who you can in your family, whether your family is blood family or it's not blood family. And you can't always make harmony with them literally, but you can make harmony in your heart. Look inside yourself. And you don't have to tell them you forgive them for being a dick or for being a bitch or for turning their back on you. You know, you don't have to tell them that. You can just do it within your heart, within your mind, within your soul. for this row, please, Spirit, or 4 for this row. Or however many you deem fit. More mirroring. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh my God. Can I have one more, please, Spirit? One more. We get 2 more. Again, this is a 44 card deck. What are the odds that I've proved that self-acceptance has come out? Accept yourself, flaws and all. Okay, look inside your heart. What are your intentions? What are your intentions for yourself? What are intentions for your future? What are your intentions for your masculine? Again, look, surrender and release. Again, mirroring. Surrender what it is you cannot control. Release to what it is you cannot control. Surrender to the way things are going. Listen to divine guidance. Surrender to divine guidance. Surrender to meditation. Release all that it is you fear in meditation. Same card, different deck. One more, please. One more. I'm going to have to move these cards up. Let me just move my cards up. Make a wish. What do you wish for? Put it out there in the universe. The universe wants to grant us our wishes, but we have to, again, we have to put in the work. We have to grow. Dreams. This card came out for the masculines, but in a different deck, but it said the same thing. Dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. Love yourself. One of the better, how do I put it? One of the best ways to help our masculine is to love ourselves, because if we love ourselves, they will love their selves. Archangel Metatron, a call upon Archangel Metatron for help. Please know that everything is working in divine timing. Nobody likes this card because it's kind of like the patience card, but it is true. Everything is working out in divine timing. You have to have trust in that. 4 cards for this row, please, Spirit. 4 cards, or apparently you got your own agenda. Doesn't matter how much I ask for, you've got your own agenda going on, Spirit, as usual. Too many. Too many. Two more, please, Spirit. 2 more. One more, please. 1 more. Okay. Truth. Live by your truth. What is your truth? Speak your truth. We can see this is blue, the color of the throat chakra. Speak your truth, feminines. Heal. Heal as much as you can. Voyage. As soon as I saw this, I got cruise. Some of you like going on cruises. Some of you have been on a cruise, or some of you, your masculine is going to plan a cruise, and there will be a lot of passion on that cruise. Again, tapping into a very horny set of masculines. Boy, this sexual energy is just off the wall. Again, I saw this. I saw sailing. Again, going on a cruise, okay? Looking at the sunset, watching the stars come out at night. How beautiful is that? Thank you, feminines, for tuning in. I hope this has helped you. I hope you found some messages that are for you. Again, I am blessed and honored to have reached this milestone. It's insane for me. But I am very grateful and humbled by it. And I look forward to reading for you again tomorrow. Namaste, feminines. Namaste.